Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I was just sent this really cool idea. It's an outdoor wash basin that is actually made from solid wood and a 304 stainless steel top, which is super cool, so it should make this very durable. I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick installation of how to put this cart together. They did, of course, send some nice instructions that are very detailed. And then, so we're just going to start and follow the instructions, and pretty much everything that they say is laid out where you're going to inserting these wooden pegs into the holes that the wooden pegs belong in, and then we're going to simply put those pieces together as such. And then you're going to be driving these screws, as they're labeled as A, into the screw holes and putting those in to bind all these together. So now we're going to put the sides on. This is going together pretty well. It's solid wood, so this has actually been really nice being able to work with solid wood versus the prefabricated stuff, but you can use a manual screwdriver. They don't provide you with one. You can certainly use a manual if you have access to one of these automatic screwdrivers. Certainly make shorter work of putting this together. Once you've got this on there, you've got your drain hose. It's got a little gasket you're going to insert into there and then just screw that onto the bottom. Very easy. Everything so far has gone together really well. The back side of this is actually just going to be a open end, because it's going to end up poking through this hole back here and be a drain that's just going to drain out onto the ground. So this isn't going to actually drain into any particular place. It's just got an extended piece of hose that's going to drain onto the ground. Putting the hardware on, all the holes are already pre-drilled. Simply put them in, and we're just going to go ahead and get them set on here and then screwed in from the back.
And there you have it, a solid wood cabinet with that 304 stainless top. Open up these cabinet doors, you've got removable shelves, easily remove out of there. You can adjust those around a little bit or pull them completely out if you want to. Magnetic closures on the doors. Really a true nice thing to have if you're going to be outside or going camping or just outside in general and want to have a nice outdoor kitchen. This little wastebasket off to the side is easily removable and a great additional feature as well. This drains directly out in the back or into a bucket for easy removal. Really a nice feature that anybody can add to any outdoor environment.